Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to connect any other mailboxes to a Yahoo profile, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy and how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, we need to open our application, and here on the top left we have the three lines button. This opens the main panel. Let's tap on this. And here the fifth button opens the settings. Let's open the settings. And now the second settings will manage the mailboxes. Open this. And here we can add another mailbox to each profile. For example, let's add for the first one. And here we can add a Google, an Outlook, an AOL, and a Yahoo mailbox. For example, let's add on Google. And here we have to enter our email address, and this opens a login page for a Google account. Let's log in on this and we're done. That's pretty much for this video. See you in the next one. Aloha!